Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss SCR protection circuits. So in this lecture, we studied about different protection circuits of silicon control rectifier. What is the it use when we what are the applications of each and every protection circuit? We are going to discuss in deep. Okay. So after completion of this lecture, you will able to understand different protection methods of silicon control rectifiers, how it will be operated, what is the circuit for every production. We are going to study in detail in this lecture. So production of SCR is to improve the reliable operation of SCR. It should operate within a specific ratings. So SCR is mainly, it is a very delicate device, so it must be protected against abnormal conditions. So whenever abnormal conditions are occur, the SCR will be affected because it is very difficult. So for that we require various protection required techniques, that is dV by dt protection, di by dt gate protection. And first we are going to discuss dV by dt protection circuit, which is also called snubber circuit. So in this, the SCR is connected to some resistance series combination of RS and CS connected parallel to SCR. When such is sudden voltage appear across the circuit. The selection of CS and RS values plays a crucial role for successful design of snubber circuit. Initially, L is selected as L equal to Vs by di dt max. So voltage across Vi is given by Va into Irs. So with differentiating with respect to dt, we are getting dVA by dt equal to Rs into di by dt. From that, dVA by dt max equal to Rs into di by dt maximum. So this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get dV by dt max equal to Vs into Rs by L. From that, we get the Rs value. So now CS value kept obtained follow approximation. C is equal to 2 zeta square by Rs whole square L. So these two are important values for dV by dt protection. Coming to di dt effects, when SCR is forward bias, it turn on by the gate signal, the anode current will be flows. So you already know that the anode current requires some time to spread inside the device. But if the rate of rise of anode current is greater than the spread of velocity charge carriers, then the local arc pulse is created near the gate due to increased current density. This localized heating may damage the device. So coming to di by dt protection, this local spot is avoided by ensuring that the condition spreads to whole area rapidly. Thus, di dt value should be maintained below the threshold value. This is done by means of connecting an inductor in series with SCR. So this is a protection circuit. So di by dt protection, we are using some inductor which is connected to the SCR. So in this gate protection circuits, we are using different circuit. So over voltage effects. Over voltage may results in fast turn on of the device, damage the device. So whenever excessive voltage appear, it gives the fast turn on which damage the device. So the SCR can subjected internal and external over voltage. This is a complete protection of SCR, over current protection, di by dt protection, snubber circuit gate protection. So coming to over voltage protection, a non-linear resistor, it is also called as varistor. Varistor means variable resistor connected across the SCR. So the resistance of varistor will decrease with increase in the voltage, vice versa. During normal condition, varistor has high resistance, draws small linear current. When high voltage appears, it operates as a low resistance region and surge energy dissipated across the resistance by producing virtual short circuit. In a SCR, due to overcurrent, the junction temperature exceeds the rated value, the device also get damaged. So when this current is increases, it will affect the devices. So then the SCR is very delicate, so it gets damaged due to these overcurrents. So overcurrent production, the overcurrent is interpreted by using conventional fuse and circuit breakers. So fuse is the current limiting device. When excessive current is obtained, it may melt. Circuit breaker is which makes the circuit during abnormal condition and it breaks the circuit during normal condition. So fast acting current limiting fuse is used to protect SCR against large surge currents. So coming to gate protection, like thyristor gate circuit should also protect it from overvoltage and overcurrents. So overvoltage in the gate circuit can cause fast triggering and overcurrent can cause high junction temperature. So overvoltage protection is achieved by Zener diode and a resistor R2 can be used to protect the gate circuit from overcurrent. So Zener diode limits the overvoltage and this resistor will limit the overcurrent. So this is a complete, you have to reflection part. You have to analyze the various circuits. So that is di by dt protection, snubber circuit, gate protection, overcurrent. This is a detailed block diagram which gives give the over voltage protection of silicon control rectifier. So coming to reflections part 2, draw the complete over voltage protection from circuits here. So in this circuit breaker will be there, fast acting fuse also there, fast acting current limiting fuse and di by dt inductor and snubber circuit. In snubber circuit, the selection of RSCS value is there. There will be variable resistor, that is varistor, and in the gate production we are used GNR diode for controlling the voltage and R1 for controlling the overcurrent. So come lecture level practice questions. You have to practice these questions. What is the need of protection of SCR and what are the types of protection of SCRs? So you need to know which type of protection is required, where what are the faults going to occur in the SCR. You have to study all these things. So do practice on it. Thank you.